Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Manushka and I'll be telling you more about MUJ scholarships in different programs. So do watch this video till end and do subscribe my channel. This is the most awaited video because काफ़ी लोगों को जानना था कि क्या क्या स्कॉलरशिप्स होते हैं और कैसे ले सकते हैं। एंड हाँ, तुम ये वीडियो पूरा देखना क्योंकि मुझे भी कई चीज़ें नहीं पता थी एडमिशन लेने तक, या एडमिशन लेने के बाद तो मुझे स्कॉलरशिप नहीं मिली, बट आई होप तुम लोगों को स्कॉलरशिप मिल जाए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। The number of scholarships are generally fixed for each and every program and are changed every year, which will be shown on the website. Exact number of scholarship for each program that is being awarded in this year is available on MUJ website. I'll attach the link to that website. Okay. So let's start with the most prestigious scholarship, that is the TMA PI scholarship. It is awarded every year, 2 in each program, basically for BTech, that is हर ब्रांच में 2 लोगों को स्कॉलरशिप दी जाएगी एंड इट हैज़ अ क्राइटेरिया, लाइक 2 क्राइटेरिया है। फर्स्टली रैंक शुड बी लेस दैन 8,000 एंड सेकेंड वन योर फैमिली इनकम शुड बी लेस दैन 8 लाख पर एनम। एंड जो फर्स्ट टॉपर होगा, जैसे बीटेक इन CSE में किसी की सपोज 2000 या उससे पहले वाली रैंक आ गई तो वो फर्स्ट टॉपर माना जाएगा और उसको 100% ट्यूशन फ़ी वेवर, लाइक कुछ नहीं, मतलब ट्यूशन फ़ी 0 एंड बस हॉस्टल का देना है। एंड नेक्स्टली जो होगा सेकेंड टॉपर, उसको 50% ट्यूशन फ़ी वेवर, बट इट हैज़ अ क्राइटेरिया दैट यू हैव टू मेंटेन 8 CGPA थ्रू आउट एंड देयर शुड बी नो बैकलॉग, लाइक फेल नहीं हो सकता। नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द सर M विश्वेश्वरैया स्कॉलरशिप. इट इज़ अवेलेबल फॉर द कोर इंजीनियरिंग ब्रांचेस, दैट इज़ कंप्यूटर साइंस, सिविल एंड EC, electrical, and 25 scholarship per program are awarded each year. Eligibility will be on the basis of 12th aggregate, that is 80% plus marks. Students will get 50% of fee waiver, only 5 students, and 70 to 80% percentage of marks will be getting 40% fee waiver, that is 10 students, and the students who got 60 to 70% in their board exams will be getting 30% fee waiver, that is 10 students. So to continue this scholarship, basically you need to get 7 CGPA in each and without any backlogs. So talking about the lateral entry scholarships, the students who are getting into Manipal University Jaipur after doing diploma or equivalent studies, they'll be getting a scholarship. 25 scholarships are awarded each year, that is 85% above in their diploma or the equivalent studies, they'll be getting 50% fee waiver. This is for 5 students, and 75% to 85% category will be getting 40% scholarship, that is that will be given to 10 students, and 65% to 75% marks will be getting 30% scholarship, that is 10 students. And to continue this scholarship they have to get 7 CGPA throughout without any backlog. Backlog is basically you don't have to fail in any of the exam. Our fourth scholarship is TMA PI scholarship, TMA PI merit scholarship, and it is awarded for 33 students every year, that is 3 scholarships per program. So eligibility criteria is based on 12th marks, and the topper gets 100% fee waiver, that is basically criteria is 80% and above, but it is considered like किसी के 98% आए, 99% आए 12th में, so that person will be categorized as the topper and उसको 100% fee waiver मिलेगी. और उसके बाद जो बच्चे होंगे like 96, 97, उन सबको सेकेंड टॉपर कंसिडर की कैटेगरी में डाला जाएगा, उनको 50% स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी. ऐसे ही थर्ड टॉपर की कैटेगरी में 25% स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी. तो ये बीटेक की हर ब्रांचेस के लिए होता है एंड इन ईच ब्रांच 3 बच्चों को दिया जाएगा. So इसके लिए it's a criteria, that is 8.5 CGPA you have to maintain in all semesters without any backlogs. So our fifth scholarship is Rajasthan Merit Scholarship for students from Rajasthan who have completed their 10th as well as 12th from Rajasthan. Will be getting one scholarship per program. In this there is a eligibility criteria that you have to get 80% above in both 10th and 12th and completed both from Rajasthan, and the amount you will be getting is will be lower between your annual tuition fee and 1 lakh, and the continuity criteria is 7.5 CGPA throughout the 8 semesters or whatever according to your program, and you have to get like there should be no backlogs as well. Talking about the scholarships for the local region students, that is हमारा जो कॉलेज है वो है धमी कहलान में, तो उसके आसपास बगरू, धमी कहलान, थिकरिया, सांझरिया, बेगस ये सब गांव पड़ते हैं. तो इसके जितने भी बच्चे हैं देयर इज़ अ स्कॉलरशिप दैट इज़ 8 लाख per annum से लेस फैमिली इनकम होनी चाहिए, एंड you will get 50% tuition fee waiver, and the CGPA you have to maintain is 7.5 in every semester to continue that scholarship, and there should be no backlog. Another scholarship is financial assistance for sibling. If both the siblings are studying in the same session in MUJ, so the younger sibling will get 20% off on tuition fee waiver, and the criteria is family income should be less than 8 lakh per annum. They have to maintain 8 CGPA throughout to continue getting this scholarship. Next up, there is a BBA Hospitality and Tourism Scholarship, in which the 30% of total admission get a 25% tuition fee waiver. Eligibility criteria is 75% and above in 12th, and they have to maintain 7.5 CGPA every year without any backlog. So the applications are open currently for direct admission, I suppose, and you can keep checking the MUJ official website regularly for deadlines, and scholarships are awarded on first come first served basis, so don't delay, and continuity criteria must met every year to get the scholarship. So if you liked my video and knowledgeable lagi, so you like my channel and subscribe as well. Bye.